Hi everyone. Here is a quick review of this tiny LED torch from Eveready, sold as Boomlite, model number DL85. Now when I saw my colleague Vijay using this tiny torch inside our engine rooms and the shaft tunnels of our ship, I was really impressed. I bought one and ended up buying 4 more for my colleagues. The MRP of the unit is rupees 160. I got 4 of them from Amazon for rupees 500. That is rupees 125 per unit. That's insane value for money, guys. This is the box. It comes with a torch and a micro USB cable. That's it. These are the contents inside the box. Now, if you look at the specs, it comes with a 1 watt LED for the main torch and an array of 10 LEDs totaling 2 watt for the side light. It is powered by a 3 volt 350 milliampere hour lithium ion battery, which is charged through this micro USB port here. There are 4 modes for this torch. One is the main torch, and you have an auto flasher if you double press the button, and you have the side light with the high brightness setting. Tap on the button once again and you get the low brightness setting. So these are the 4 modes. Now Eveready claims that a dead battery can be charged in under 3 hours and the torch lasts up to 4 hours. And the lithium ion battery can last 500 recharge cycles. Now as far as build quality goes, the whole unit is made of ABS plastic. You have 3 screws here with Phillips head screws. One of them, the hole is concealed with this hologram due to the warranty. The torch gets 6 months warranty, and the unit feels very sturdy and lightweight. It is very compact. You can easily hold it in your hand. It can easily fit into your shirt pocket and you can clip it using this clip given here. Build quality is good for this price. I'm not complaining, guys. For under 150, you get a very good torch, and you get a hole on this clip as well in case you want to tie a lanyard. You get a charging indicator here. Let me show you that. There you go. Now, once it is fully charged, the LED emits a constant light. Now, as far as performance goes, let me show you a clip I had clicked at the night of the backyard of an empty house from our neighborhood.
This is a isolated compound and pitch dark. We are able to see a good deal of distance here. So this torch is like really awesome, guys. For less than 150 bucks, I got 4 for 500. So insane value for money and really good. It looks quite like the haunted house. Broken doors of the washroom and all. No one's occupied this house for quite some time now. And they recently cleaned up this backyard. Able to see a good deal of distance in pitch dark.
Now, the only drawback that I felt was instead of this micro USB B port, they could have given a USB C port, because that's commonplace these days. And a lot of portable devices, shavers, etc. have started coming with the USB C port. But other than that, guys, I'm not complaining. This is a tiny little torch that emits a good deal of light with really bright intensity. I loved it. Some of my colleagues and contract workmen loved it. We ended up doing a mass order from Amazon for under rupees 150. This torch is a steal, guys. In case you are planning to buy a micro portable torch, you should really give this a shot. Even if you do not want it, buy one. So that'll be all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye and take care.